What do we have today? Today we have a 1.5 liter VW engine. These engines are known to be quite hard to do the timing belt because you need a special tool with angle and connected to the computer. So today we're going to be doing that, and I'm going to take you along on how to get that done. And now we're about to remove the belt itself. So as you can see, we had to remove the VVTi solenoid and VVTi solenoid mount, and we're about to take the belt out. On this engine is very complicated because if you lose the timing on this, you'd have to hook up the computer or use angle level. There's cheaper tools out there like an angle level. So yeah, we're gonna crack on removing this. Keep going removing this, and I'll show you once everything is out. And there you have it. We have the belt with the tensioner. I'll show you. Belt and tensioner here. That's the old one removed. That's still the original. You can have a look there. VW. Change the spark plugs. So we have all 4 spark plugs in here, and I can show them to you. Yeah. Pretty bad. So we just got some Bosch ones. I'll show you. And that's the new ones. See? Let's get putting everything back together in the car then, shall we? And almost forgot to tell you, here it is, the new tensioner, new timing belt tensioner. I'll show it closer to you so you can see them. That's the idler pulley, that's the tensioner right there, and the new belt. Cool. Can move out. And now we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4 spark plugs. And let's start it then. Go, go, go. And there you have it, another car done at Cars That Keep. We have this VW come in, 1.5 engine. The 1.0 is kind of the same. There's more engines on the VW range that are kind of the same. So if you do need anything related to these cars, or if you have any issues, any questions with these engines, we're more than happy to assist you with that. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.